The Toyota HiAce has been a staple in the van market for decades, known for its reliability and ruggedness, but now, it's taking on a whole new life with a retro makeover that channels the classic VW T3. Enter AMJ, Automotive Japan, an independent tuner that's transforming the beloved HiAce into a tribute to the iconic Volkswagen Transporter T3, combining the reliability of Toyota with the nostalgic charm of the VW. The VW Transporter T3, also known as the Type 2 or Vanagon in some markets, was produced between 1979 and 1992. The T3 is beloved by fans for its boxy design, rear-mounted engine, and distinct character. However, despite its popularity, the T3 is now mostly a collector's item, making it a rarity on the roads today. For fans who want to capture that same vintage vibe but need something more modern and reliable, the Vanace provides the perfect solution. The Vanace project starts with a 2019 Toyota HiAce generation, which has been designed with a cab-over layout that's still highly popular in Japan, even though it hasn't seen much change since 2004. AMJ has given the HiAce a full front-end redesign that mirrors the boxy look of the T3, minus the rear-mounted engine, of course. The new bumper add-ons, retro-inspired halogen headlights, and yellow indicators help bring back that vintage feel, while the flat hood and subtly reworked fenders complete the transformation. AMJ offers 3 variations of the Vanace, each drawing inspiration from different global versions of the T3. The Vanace Type 1 features dual round headlights, reminiscent of the European and Japanese T3 models. The Vanace Type 2 steps things up with quad headlights and black rocker panels, inspired by the South African models. Finally, the Vanace Type 3 opts for dual square headlights, giving it the North American flavor. Each of these types helps create a distinct look that reflects the versatility and worldwide appeal of the original T3. While the transformation is primarily focused on the front end, the profile and rear end of the HiAce remain unchanged, ensuring that the practical functionality of the van stays intact. The Vanace also offers 10 different paint options, including shades like gunmetal, beige, and even a two-tone option. The chrome hubcaps on steel wheels give the van a classic touch that further enhances its retro appeal. Inside, the retro vibe continues with vintage-inspired seat covers, available in colors like blue, green, and beige. The wooden 3-spoke steering wheel adds an extra layer of nostalgia, while more customized options like solid wood paneling and LED interior lighting provide a touch of luxury and practicality. The Vanace is designed to be an ideal base for camper conversions, with an optional rooftop tent available from Darchi, an Australian company that specializes in these types of additions. The cost of this stunning retro transformation ranges between 3.75 million yen and 4.65 million yen, approximately $24,000 $29,800, depending on the base model and level of customization chosen. For many, this price is a small price to pay for the chance to own a unique piece of automotive history that combines modern dependability with the charm of a bygone era. Whether you're a fan of the VW T3 or just love a good retro van, the Vanace offers a unique opportunity to own a Toyota HiAce that brings the best of both worlds. With its attention to detail and customizable options, this is the ultimate van for those seeking style, function, and a bit of nostalgia all rolled into one.